From 515 to freedom, the credit score master story. I started at 515, a number that whispered untrustworthy to lenders, landlords, even employers. But I refused to let 3 digits define my destiny. This is not just about credit. It is about discipline, healing, and creating a future where money works for you, not against you. Zero ground rules, the foundation autopay on never miss another due date. Payment history is 35% of your score. One 30-day late can sink you 5,100 points. I turned on minimum autopay, then made extra payments manually. Result, no surprises, no lates. No new debt unless it builds credit. No store cards, no loans, no 0% interest traps. Only secured cards or builder loans count as bricks for this foundation. One inbox for money. I created a single folder, Credit Rebuild 2025. Every receipt, dispute letter, and settlement lives there. Organization beats chaos. 72-hour quick wins. The Jumpstart Pull full report, not just the score. I listed errors, wrong addresses, duplicate collections, negatives, lates, charge-offs, and balances. Utilization. Knowledge became my weapon. Utilization hack, the rocket boost. A $1,000 limit card with $600 balance = 60% utilization penalty. Paying it to $80, 9%, triggered an instant 40+ point rise. Always pay before the statement closes so the low balance reports. Leave $10, $30 on one card so the system shows active use. Add positive history now rent reporting added 24 months of on-time payments in a single sweep. Experian Boost logged my utilities. Small steps, but they stacked. Clean personal info. Old addresses and misspelled names confused bureaus. I corrected everything. One clean identity = fewer errors. 30. Day sprint. Confront the negatives, dispute true errors. I uploaded proof against duplicate medical bills. Within 30 days, 1 deletion landed. Score jumped again. Collections. PFD, pay for delete. A $700 collection? I offered $350 with written proof of deletion. They accepted. When the trade line vanished, my report breathed lighter. Late payments, goodwill letters. I had a 60-day late. I had been on time since. I wrote humbly, "Please forgive this, Mark. It was during hardship, and I have been consistent since." One lender removed it. Charge-offs. With the original creditor, I settled for less and got it updated to $0 balance. When sold to a collector, I negotiated PFD with the agency. Build new positive lines. The engine. 2 secured cards. $500 limits each. I used 3 10%, let $15 $40 report, then paid off. Each month, new green checks appeared. Credit Builder loan $25/month, locked in savings, reporting like an installment loan. Cheap, powerful, and age-building. Authorized user, AU. A family member added me to a 5-year-old low-utilization card. Suddenly, my file looked older, wiser. Farpor monthly maintenance. The momentum utilization discipline overall and per card. 9%. 1 small balance reports, the rest $0. Due date strategy. I shifted due dates around my paycheck. Autopay caught the minimums. I paid extra early. Stress evaporated. No unnecessary inquiries. Every credit pull costs 5-10 points. I stopped applying until I was strong. Keep old accounts open. My oldest $200 limit card? I never closed it. Age is golden credit. Recheck every 30-45 days. I tracked deletions, corrections, and improvements. The progress chart fueled me. Modern lessons. Credit equals character. Your habits matter more than your history. Systems beat stress. Autopay and folders replace panic and fear. Every $100 paid down is freedom. Utilization is a leash. Cut it short. You are not your score. 515 was a snapshot, not a sentence. The results, 730 days. Quick jumps from utilization plus rent reporting. 30-90 days. Deletions, AU line. Secured cards started aging. 90-180 days. Consistent discipline compounded into lender-friendly scores. From 515, I rose past 640, then 680, then 720 plus. Creditors once saying no now competed for yes. The takeaway. A credit score is not just numbers. It is a mirror of discipline, a passport to opportunity. and proof that small choices lead to massive freedom. If I could rise from 515, so can you. Just take it one step at a time and consistently visualize the score you want until it manifests.